Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Student, I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we studied about the effects of water pollutions. Today, we are going to study another very important topic, which is control of water pollution. Now, let's discuss in details. Control of water pollution. Water pollution is a serious problem, but it can be controlled and reduced by proper methods and awareness. Now let's discuss all these methods through which we can control water pollution. Now, what is control of water pollution? Control of water pollution means preventing or reducing the entry of harmful substances into water bodies. Now, the first way through which we can control water pollution, the first one, treatment of sewage. Domestic wastewater is called sewage should be treated before disposal. Methods: primary treatment means removes solid particle. Secondary treatment means removes organic matter using microorganism. Tertiary treatment means remove remaining impurities. This makes water safer before releasing it into rivers. Second one, treatment of industrial waste. Industries should treat their waste before discharge. Methods: chemical treatment, biological treatment, filtration. This reduces harmful chemicals and toxic substances. Third one, proper waste disposal. Do not throw garbage into water bodies. Use proper waste collection systems. Promote recycling. This prevents contamination of water. Fourth one, control of agricultural pollution. Use fertilizers and pesticides in limited amounts. Use eco-friendly chemicals. Prevent runoff into water bodies. This reduces chemicals pollution. Fifth one, prevention of oil spills. Proper maintenance of ships and pipelines. Immediate cleanup of oil spills. This protects marine life. Sixth one, public awareness. People should be educated about importance of clean water, harmful effect of pollution, ways to conserve water. Awareness plays a key role in pollution control. Seventh one, government laws and regulation. Governments enforce laws to control pollution, setting water quality standards, monitoring industries, punishing polluters. These laws help protect water resources. Eighth one, use of modern technology. Water purification systems, reserve osmosis, reverse osmosis, wastewater treatment plants. Technology helps in efficient cleaning of water. Now, summary of the control of water pollution. Water pollution can be controlled by treating sewage and industrial waste, proper waste disposal, controlling agricultural pollution, preventing oil spills, public awareness, government's laws, use of modern technology. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on control of water pollution. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more chemistry lectures and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.